Hello, grade 2. How are you? Today we are gonna talk about the clock and how we can tell the time. Okay, first we have two types of clocks. The first type is the analog clock. The second type is the digital clock. The digital clock looks like this clock. It's all about numbers. This part of number is for the hours, and the other part here is for the minutes. And the analog clock looks like this. The analog clock has two hands. One of them small hand, which is for the hour, and the tall hand for the minute. The face of the clock, there are numbers from number 1 till number 12. So we have two types of clocks. The analog clock with two hands and the digital clock with just numbers. Okay, how can we tell the number? We have four cases. The first case, when the short hand on the hours, its number here 3, and the tall hand, which is for minutes, on number 12. So the clock is 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. So o'clock when the minutes hand on 12. We said it's 3 o'clock. Case number 2, when the tall hand, which is the minute hand, on number 3. So it's quarter. Quarter past. Quarter past. Quarter past. So the quarter past when the minute hand or the tall hand on number 3. It's quarter past. Case number 4, when the minute hand on number 9. It's a quarter to. Quarter to. Quarter to when the minute hand on number 9. Quarter past when the minute hand on number 3. And the last case is half past. Half past when the minute hand or the tall hands on number 6. When the minute hand on 6, so it's half past. So we have 4 cases in the clock. The first case, it's all about the tall hand, the minute hand. When the minute hand on number 12, so it's o'clock. Exactly the time. It's o'clock. When the minute hand on number 3, it's quarter past. Quarter past. If the minute hand or number 9, so it's quarter to. Quarter to. If the minute hand on number 6, so it's half past. Half past. Okay, now I will tell you a way to make it easy to telling the time. I have here an analog clock. Starts with number 1 and ends with number 12. We said that when the minutes hand on 12, it's o'clock. Okay? It's so easy. When the minutes hand or number 12, it's o'clock. And if the minutes hand on number 6, it's half past. Half past. When the minutes hand on number 3, it's quarter past. Quarter past. If the minutes hand on number 9, so it's quarter to. Quarter to. Okay, let's divide the analog clock into two parts. The right side is past, okay? The left side 4, 2. So we have here the right side past and the left side 2. Okay, when I said past, I take the small number. When I said past, I take the small number. When I said 2, I take the large number. When I said 2, I take the large number. If the minutes hand on 3, so it will be 15. 15 minutes. If the minutes hand on 6, so it will be 30 minutes. Okay? If the minutes hand on 9, so it will be 45 minutes. If the minutes hand on 12 o'clock, it will be 0. Okay, again, if the minutes hand on 12, it's gonna be 0. If the minutes hand on 3, 15. Minutes hand on 6, 30. The minutes hand on 9, 45. Past, we take the small number. 2, we take the large number. Okay. Okay. To write the digital clock, just like I said. O'clock, minutes 0. The minutes on number 3, so it's minutes 15. The minutes hand on number 6, the minutes is 30. The minutes hand on number 9, the minutes 45. When I said quarter past, I will take the small number. If I said quarter to, I will take the big number. Let's take example so we can understand. Okay, this is an analog clock. Why? Because it has two hands. The short hand tells us the hours, the tall hand tells us the minutes. Okay, now I want to write the digital clock. How can we write the digital clock? Okay, first I will make 2 points. Okay, first I will make 2 points. Then I will look at the short hand, which is tell me the hour. The hour is 2, right? Okay, so I will back here and write 2 on the hours corner. Left side I write the hours, the right side I write the minutes. And I said if the minutes hand on 12, so the minutes will be, yeah, excellent, 0. So I will write here 2 zeros. Okay, so it's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. The short hand on 2, so the hours 2. the tall hand, the minutes hand on 12, so the minutes is 0. Okay, the next example, we have here the analog clock. The short hand tell me the hours, the tall hand tell me the minutes. Okay, now I want to write the digital clock. We said that first I will write 2 points. Okay, then we will look at the minutes hand. The minutes hand on number 6. So the minutes is 30, right? Because it's on number 6. And the hours hand is between number 10 and 11. Number 10 and 11. But what the number should I write? 10 or 11? I said that when I say past, I will take the small number, right? When I said past, I will take the small number. So it's half past 10. Half past 10. And the digital clock, I will write the 10 because the small number between 10 and 11 is 10, and the minutes is 30. Okay? Again, the analog clock tell me that the hours is 10 and the minutes is 30, right? So it's 10:30. It's 10:30. It's half past 10. Half past 10. If you remember that, I said this part of clock, the right side is past. When I say past, I will take the small number. The hours here between 10 and 11, and 10 is the small number, so I will write 10, and 6 equal 30 minutes. Okay, next example. The analog clock tell me that the hours is 3. The tall hand or the minutes hand on number 9. So I will write the minutes hand on the left side. It's 2 sides, so I will take, excellent, the big number. So it's quarter to 3 because 3 is the big number. 2 and 3. The hour is between 2 and 3. When I said 2, I take the big number, which is 3. So it's quarter to 3. Quarter to 3. But when I write it in the digital clock, I will write the small number. So it's 2:45 minutes. It's 2:45 minutes because I said that if the minutes on number 9, so the minutes gonna be 45. So it's 2:45 minutes. The next one. Again, first I want to write the digital clock. So I will look at the minutes hand. It's on number 9. So the minutes gonna be 45. Okay? Okay, it's easy. The minutes hand is easy. 45 minutes. The hours hand between 10 and 11. the hours hand between 10 and 11. Okay, which number should I write, 10 or 11? I will look at the minutes hand. It's on the two side. I said if I have quarter two, I will take the big number. If I have quarter two, I will take the big number. So it's quarter to 11. Quarter to 11. But when I write it in digital, I will take the small number, the inverse of this. So it's 10:45 minutes. 10:45 minutes. Again, it's a little hinty. Okay. When I write the digital clock, I will take the small number, just in this case. So, quarter to 11, because 2, we take the big number, which is 11. Quarter to 11. And we will write the inverse. I write here 11. In the digital, I will write 10. And the minutes, as we said, that 45. Okay, the next example, we will look at the minutes hand, which is on number 3. So it's quarter past, quarter past, and the hour hand between 12 and 1. The hour hand between 12 and 1. We said, if we said past, we will take the small number, which is 12. In the clock, 12 is small number. So it's quarter past 12. It's quarter past 12. But when I write in the digital clock, I will write 12:15 minutes. 12:15 minutes, because 3 equal 15 minutes. So it's quarter past 12 and 12:15 minutes. The next one, it's 10 in hours and 3 in the minutes hand. Okay, the minutes hand tell me that they're 15 minutes, right? 3 equal 15 minutes. And the minutes hand on the past side, it's quarter past. Quarter past. Past, we take the small number. What? The small number, 10 or 11? Excellent, it's the 10. So it's quarter past 10. Quarter past 10. And if I want to write the digital clock, I will make the 2 point. The minutes is 15. I will write it here. And the hour is, yay, excellent, 10. So it's 10:15. So it's quarter past 10 and 10:15. It's quarter past 7. Quarter past 7 and 7:15. Quarter past 7 and 7:15. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.